You're silly. Hi, Andy. You want it? Why do you want it? You don't like Andy getting the attention? Okay. Hi, Cole. What are you building? You building blocks? You see you put a block on? You put the block on. You gotta look at the blocks, not the camera. There you go. Hello.
Hi.
Hi. Who's that over there making noise? There's the monkey. Are you taking your blocks apart? You want the video camera?
Hi.
Who's getting cranky over here? You guys just trying to get the most attention here? Let me help. Somebody needs a lot of attention over here. Cool. Why don't you go lay down beside Andy and I'll take both of you. Hey? Put your head down there. Yeah, and Mommy will show you the camera. That's your brother. He likes his stuff. That's funny. Oh, careful, careful. Come on over here. Put your head down there. Who's that? Hey! No. We got that on tape now. Cole? I'm going to show your brother this when he's older and he's going to beat you up. Lay down, nice and gentle. Nice and gentle. Lay down and put your head down. Look. Mommy, I'm going to tape you, but you have to get down with Andy. Somebody being cranky? You being grumpy? Grumpy? Your brother just wants attention too. Don't do that. Andy's looking at it. Careful, careful, Cole. Gentle. You watching? He's looking for you. Hi, buddy. We're over here. Hi. Hi. Oh. You don't touch it. We want to see you put your blocks in your box. Cole, want to watch him put his blocks away? Your blocks away. Okay, then say bye-bye. Bye-bye.